came off the rim. That's one way to get a skid steer tire moved. So this tire, when I was driving it yesterday, rolled off the bead, and so now I had to get a tube put in this tire. So we ran and got that fixed, and I'm putting it on now. So. All done. this one. Star bit. Next, pretty sure we got a couple square bits in there. We got a Phillip. I don't think so. I'm gonna have to find something. So I need drill, 2 bits. What else do you think I need? 4-wheelers out there. I think that'll be it. You guys know what I'm thinking? A time lapse. Take out all that right there. Stuff cleared out of here. Looks a lot better. All pallets, all this junk. Bobcat didn't want to start no more. So the plan is now we're gonna chop this tree off, keep this one, chop it about here, keep this one, chop it about there, and rid of, see where this Y is right there? We're gonna get rid of that tree, those 2 trees by that big one, these ones, that one, this one, this one, that one, this one, that one. And then this one right here is gonna come out. I'm gonna pull these stumps out. I'm gonna build a hay feeder, and it's gonna come from off this wall to about to where this tree is at, and come this way to about here to where this corner lines up. I'm gonna get rid of this fence, and what I wanna do is I wanna build like a lean-to type thing that comes off this way, and it's gonna come around this way, so I could fit a round bale in there, and I have haunches here for them to eat out of it. So that's my new plan. So I recently just tore out the muffler, which is right there, and all the exhausts and the manifolds all out a while ago. And they all go back right here, 1, 2, 3, and up and in here, and they somehow fit. The muffler's supposed to fit down in that hole. And I gotta put this all back together, but I thought I had it fixed because it didn't want to start, so now I'm like, screw it. So put it back together, and I'm done fixing it for a while now. So wait till next week. Snowmobile's all put back together, and there's a couple more things I gotta do to get it fixed, but I'm gonna do that next winter when there's actual snow on the ground to where I can ride the snowmobile, because there's a couple problems with the spark plug, but nothing to be worried about right now because there's no snow. So yeah, Bobcat's being ornery and not wanting to start at all. It's been sitting here for quite a while. Yep, it's gonna be sitting here all night now. I'm gonna plug the block heater in. No, I won't even need to do that. Probably to start up tomorrow. Hopefully it will. Have a great day, you guys.